Hi, it's Emily. I'm here today with my two dogs, Daisy. Daisy, come here. And Coco. Daisy and Coco are Golden Doodles. And they got a Christmas present that I want to try out. This is a puzzle for dogs. I love games. And I thought the dogs would love to have a game to play. And I also think my dogs are pretty smart. So I'm going to put them to the test today and see if they're smart enough to figure this out. Now there's an easy, there's an intermediate, and there's an advanced. This is kind of in the middle. I got this on Amazon. It's half off right now. It's $12.60. It's normally $25. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's kind of unbox it together. Daisy, come here. Come and open your present. Whoa. I think dogs will do anything, number one, to please their owners, right, Coco? And also, dogs love treats, right? Oh, okay. That's what it is. So it's got little compartments. And you put treats and see if they can open this. Hi, Coco. Okay. Coco's a mini Golden Doodle. Isn't she cute? She's 25 pounds. And Daisy, my friend, come here, Daisy. Daisy is 60 pounds, and she's a standard. Yeah, and she's 9, and Coco's 1. Okay, so here are kind of instructions. It says, if your dog is confused, then start simple. Fill a couple of treat compartments and leave 1 or 2 open. Okay, smear a little peanut butter on the game for dogs that aren't initially interested. Okay, we'll come back to that if we need to. Right now, let's just get our treats. My dogs love any kind of this jerky treat. This is pork jerky. And you want to make sure that your dog treats are made in the USA. So I'm going to break up these jerky sticks into little pieces. I've tried the little tiny training treats, and my dogs are not into those. So I wanted them to be really motivated to do this. So I've got some treats that I know they're going to love. Let's open up some of these compartments, put a treat in each, and see what happens. I'm so excited to try this. Who do you think is smarter, Daisy or Coco? Who's going to know how to do this, Daisy or Coco? Isaac, what do you guess? Oh, look at Daisy. She's smart. Daisy just went straight for my hand to get the treat. Daisy, you think you're going to figure this out? Okay, this is the dog's first time ever trying any kind of puzzle. Let's see how they do. Daisy, are you getting it? She can smell the treats. Coco has completely lost interest. She's over here smelling the wrapper of the treats. Daisy, are you going to figure it out? Keep trying, Daisy. I think Coco's a little worried that she's going to get in trouble if she tries. Right, Coco? Oh, she got one, Isaac! Daisy got her first treat! Okay, let's see if she can figure it out again. She's trying to figure out how to... Oh, she got another one! She got another one! Coco, I'll let you have a turn, okay? Oh, Daisy got another one. She's getting mad at Coco. Okay, lift it up, Daisy. This is fun. It's like keeping her entertained. We're going to let Coco have a turn. Can you do it, Daisy? Oh, you did it! Oh, that one went fast. I think Daisy likes this. You're halfway done, Daisy. Oh, she got another one. She's getting this. Let me move the camera. Oh, she's really good at this. I don't need to smear peanut butter on it or open some for Daisy. She knows. Daisy, that's so fun. You're so good at this. Coco, you're being so good and so patient. It will be your turn next, okay? Okay, Daisy, you're doing such a good job. Oh, she got another one. Oh, she even shut it. Did you see that, Isaac? She opened it, got the treat out, and shut it. She's so smart. Oh, she can smell it. Oh, now she's getting her paws into it. Oh, she got it. Well, you already got that one. Remember you closed it? Yep. Okay, there's nothing left in that one. Okay, oh, there's one more. Can you find it? Oh, that's right, Daisy. Look, I didn't have to show her which one. You already got the white one. Now there's just that red one. I think she can smell it. You already got that one, Daisy. There's one more. Yep, that's the one. You almost had it open, Daisy. You got it. She did it. I think Daisy would get faster and better at this. That was really good for her first try. She got every single treat out. And it seemed like she enjoyed it. Right, Daisy? Did you enjoy it? Okay, now I'm going to reload the puzzle. Yes, for you, Coco. I'm going to reload the puzzle for Coco and let her have a turn. Coco, come here. Your turn. Do you want me to help you with your first one? Come here. She's kind of still a puppy. She's a year. Here, let's open that up. Okay, grab it. Look, there's your treat. Look. Look, Coco, right there. There you go. Okay, now you get into the rest of them by yourself. Good, you got the first one. Now open up this compartments. Oh, she did it. Good girl, Coco. You did it. See if you can open the others. Open it. Coco, come here. Open it. Look. Look, there's a treat. Look, treat. Treat. Can you open it? Look. Coco doesn't have the attention span that Daisy did. Daisy worked until she figured it out. Coco can smell them. She knows they're in there. She's just kind of giving up too easily. No, you're super smart, Coco. Okay, come here. Coco's having a harder time. Can you open this one? Look, there's the treat. Now you figure out how to open it. Good girl, Coco. Good girl. Open it. Oh, you almost had it. Keep trying. Come here, Coco. Keep trying. Come here. Come here. Open. Can you smell the treat? Now you open it. You open it. Come here, your turn. Poodles are really smart dogs, and golden retrievers just want to please everybody, and they love their owners so much. So really, golden doodles, I think, are the perfect breed, and they're really eager to learn and to do new tricks and try new things. I think Daisy really was on point with this game. She's really smart. Coco needs a little work, and she'll figure it out. But on the first try, she didn't do so well. She only opened one herself. Oh, now she wants to play with it. She kind of lost interest before. I think this is money well spent. I think It's fun for the dogs, especially when it's snowy outside and they can't get out. Just gives you some time with your dogs. Oh, there she got it. Good girl. You did it. Good job, Coco. I think this was a great, fun gift for a dog. Dog brick is what it's called. I think we'll enjoy some fun, entertaining times with this dog puzzle, and I'm glad that we got it for them. Good job, Coco. Good job, Daisy. Thanks for joining me and my dogs on this video. Bye, Coco. I'd say it was a great purchase. If you have a dog and you want to give them something fun to do, I would recommend this. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can buy your dog one on Amazon.